everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. As you'll notice, I'm not wearing my chef's hat today because today we're celebrating my dad's birthday. So in honor of his birthday, Mom is making him his favorite meal, which is a buffalo wing chili made from venison that he hunted. So, can't get any better than that. But she will tell you how to make it here in the video, show you what to do. She used the Instapot, so we'll show it to you in the Instapot. But happy birthday, Dad! I love you. Please forgive me for all the things I do that annoy you. Chef Yoda the dog.
Okay, everyone, happy Monday. As Yoda said, this is my husband's birthday meal, or his dad's birthday meal. This is our buffalo wing chili. We're using 2 pounds of venison. You can use 1 to 2 pounds of ground meat, and I also like to use a pound of sausage. So I'm using some pre-cooked Country Boys sausage meat as well that I've chopped up, and then an onion, medium-sized onion that I chopped up, and then some salt, pepper, and about a tablespoon of minced garlic. So that's what I've got in here so far that I cooked. And now we're gonna switch it over. We had it on the saute function. We're gonna switch the Instapot over to meat stew because this one's gonna be a nice, thick, hearty chili. So, but anyway, I'm gonna put the other stuff in there and then we'll start it. So let me show you what we got going on. Gonna do couple of tablespoons of chili powder, tablespoon of cumin, tablespoon of paprika, and a couple of cans of fire roasted diced tomatoes. Now I got this recipe from Rachel Ray. I don't necessarily do it the way she does. I don't add carrots and celery, but if you want to, you can. We're using this Primal Kitchen buffalo wing sauce. It's non-dairy, gluten-free, vegan, so I can have it. But we are using this, and you're going to use 1/4 of a cup of buffalo wing sauce, and then about 1 of these of chicken broth. So a container of chicken broth. So I'm going to put all that stuff in there, stir it up, and show you what it looks like and how long we cook it for. All right, so this is what it looks like once you dump everything I just showed you in there. We're going to put the lid on it, and then we're going to do sealing. And we're gonna do meat stew, 15 minutes, let it go. I'll show you the finished product. All right, it's done. It's birthday time, birthday time. Here is our buffalo wing venison chili for Daddy's birthday. Isn't that right, Yoda? For Daddy's birthday. We like it with chips, cheese, sour cream, whatever you want to add to your bowl. Happy Monday.